Happy Sunday morning to my traders in the Philadelphia SOX Index. We had a big reversal last week. Then we sold down, we pop, but we can see the volume is negative into the upside. There is a pullback that is due. We're short a couple names and we're long a couple names. We're long NVIDIA at the 120 call strike, and then we're short AVGO at the 190. So this is the semiconductor component that has a lot of volatility during the earnings, and we had some big drops last week in that sector. We're talking 141 points and 121 points on two different names in the SOX index. Look for volatility and possibly lower lows in the semiconductor component.